Hey dads, we're at SLOSS Furnaces, Birmingham, Alabama. I thought the kids are in the car. Thought I'd do a quick walk. You guys can kind of see what's, so they got a little visitor center here. They got an art exhibit. They've got a actual artist guild, I guess it does, or metalworking there. And this was like from late 1800s to 1971. This iron ore plant was in operation. It was really cool. It almost looked like a movie location. Majority, basically, segregation in the workforce, and that, the supervisors and all that, and the crane operators were white, and then all the other workers were minorities. So, got some really neat, just industrial. So we're on our way down to Florida. We just finished up Pigeon Forge, Cal Ripken experience for Brady. Thanks for walking with me. I'm getting my steps in. So these tunnels brought the raw materials in, and they dropped them down into rail cars below into big buckets, and then they dumped them into these lifts that took them up to the top of the furnace to basically render the proper materials. Just neat industrial. So this is a historic national landmark, Birmingham, Alabama. It was really easy off the interstate, and I'm looking forward to getting home and seeing what other videos are here on that. It's in a slow decay mode, but my gosh, over 150 years old. The kids were not so excited about it, but so SLOSS was the name of the original developer, I guess. Was one of the wealthiest here in Birmingham after he got this thing rolling, and then years later sold out to some New York and Virginia investors. So here's the deal. I guess it dumped off this railroad track right here into the funnel down underneath the ground to basically catch the lift up to the top to dump. I cannot imagine working down in that tunnel to how dusty it was. But that's it. We'll walk down to this rail car, I guess. I'm past a minute, so this isn't going to be a short. So far on our trip going through Alabama, everybody's been pretty friendly. They have a brick building in the middle of the plant that if anything went wrong, everybody was supposed to roll.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? This was a great field trip.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Virginia.
Welcome. I've been meeting a lot of people this week from Virginia.
Yeah, we had baseball in Pigeon Forge. I'm doing a YouTube video right now, but
cool.
yeah, this was really neat.
Well, glad to have you. You found us on the website or something, or History Channel?
I was just looking down the road and it was one of the suggested things.
Yes.
So it's more for daddy as opposed to the kids.
Okay.
But anyway, it was very nice.
Thank you. Welcome.
Stay safe.
I'm going to clap.
So the slag is the material after they melt it all down. That's the waste. And that was taken off the product, and then they were sold it for road base and cement manufacture. Just some neat stuff, man. This is cool. Sometimes it's nice just to slow down. Some sort of conveyor belt here or something. So anyway, SLOSS Furnaces, Birmingham, Alabama, August 2021. Thank y'all for stopping by.